everyone. Today we are going to see the topic about the copy for forgery detections based on the key point clustering and the similar neighborhood search algorithms. Here I will explain the main objective, then I will explain the block diagram and the proposed method, then I will explain the MATLAB input and output systems. So the main objective of our project is to detect the copy of forgery detections is based upon the image processing. Here the block diagram will be shown. Here is some input images will be taken to compare the images. The result will be shown the forgery will be the detector or the non-detector. So in the proposed method, so many techniques are implemented to show the result. So it's in this proposed method, it purely depends upon the MATLAB implementation code concept only. The shift some points will be used to show the result. Let's start with the MATLAB code. First I will open the software. So this is our code. First I will run the code. Some dialog box will be open. Here I will selecting the input image. So that images will be converted into some slicing concept. So kindly wait. The system will be processed in the backend. The result will be shown in the front end process. So the slicing process completed only, we will extract some features. It's based upon the user selecting images. So next we will move on to the forgery detection dialog box. Here is some features will be extracted is based upon the input images. So thus labeled features output will be show the result. Once the features extraction process is completed only, we will show the result. The features depends upon the comparison of the original images as well as the tampered images. So kindly wait. In backend process, we will compare both the images. Once the comparison process completed only, we will show the result. So finally the output will be shown. It's based upon the histogram of our images. So some performance value will be extracted is based upon that particular images. So these three values will be extracted. Precision, recall, then F measure. So finally the image detections output will be shown. That images will be forgery. So let's start with another example. Here I will run the code. The user will be selecting the image based upon the image dataset. Once the selecting process is completed, we will show the slice image output. So kindly wait. So here is some features will be extracted is based upon the input image. So finally the comparison will be completed only, we will show the labeled features images. It takes time to show the result. The backend process we will compare both the image. So finally the output will be shown this criteria only. The performance values will be extracted. So finally this images is also the forgery images. Let's try with another example. I will run the code. Here is some dialog box will be open. I will selecting the input images in the data set. The slice image output will be shown. Finally the features will be extracted in that particular image. The labeled features output will be shown based on the comparison of the original images as well as the tampered image. So kindly wait, the result will be shown. So finally the output will be shown. Finally the performance value will be extracted. That image is the forged images. Let's try with another example. I will run the code. Input images I will select. Slice images output will be shown. Next we will extract some features. Next we will move on to the force reduction dialog box. Here as some features will be extracted only. The output will be shown. So kindly wait, because in the backend process we will compare both the images. The front end only we will show the output result. So finally the output will be shown. Some values will be extracted. This image is the forgery detected. Thanks for watching this.